How to hide SIM icon from status bar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down on the screen from the top. You are now in your lock screen. As you can see, there is a SIM icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, go back and open up Settings. On this page, turn on the airplane mode switch. After that, go to the top right corner of the screen and swipe down to open the control center. The airplane mode icon is highlighted, which means it is currently turned on. You will now find an airplane icon instead of the SIM icon at the top left. If you want to bring back the SIM icon, then tap on the airplane mode icon again to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily hide SIM icon from status bar on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.